In the central government sector, railway has got its own board. Why? Tell me. Railway recruitment has got its own board. Why? Because it has a numerous and n number of employees. Can anyone tell me what might be the strength of railway employees in India? 14 lakhs plus. And it goes on increasing year after year. And if you look at UPSC IAS officers or IPS officers, there are hardly around 6,000, 20,000 lakhs. But railway has 14 lakhs plus employees, so it has got its own budgets, its own recruitment policies, and so on. In railway also, there are various divisions, technical divisions and non-technical division. All the BC and BSc students are eligible for the technical division, and BCom and BA students and BBA students are eligible for the non-technical exams as well. So basically you can appear in the railway examinations as well. So far I dealt with the central government jobs. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between central government job and the state government jobs? Yes? Any student? For example, in the central government, UPSC conducts examination. Yes or no? Yes or no? Come on guys. Yes. In the state government, State Public Service Commission conducts examination. For example, in Karnataka we have Karnataka Public Service Commission. Similarly, Keralites they have what? Kerala Public Service Commission. That is the only difference. And then everything is same. Age criteria is same. Examination structure is same. Examination protocol is same. Everything is same when compared to the state government jobs. For example, in Karnataka we have Karnataka Public Service Commission. In Tamil Nadu they have Tamil Nadu. In Madhya Pradesh they have Madhya Public Service Commission. Now, the important topic, tips to crack any government examination. If you want to crack any government examination, the first and foremost important thing is to know the structure of examination. I believe that by now you must have known the structure of examination. Then the important topic is read newspaper daily. For the next 3 years, I want you guys to make promise to read newspaper without forgetting even a day. So will you make that promise? Yes or no? If you read newspaper, you can write any examination, be it government job examination, be it IIM entrance examination, Indian Institute of Management, and all other government entrance examination you can write if you read a newspaper. And be thorough with NCERT textbook starting from class 6 to class 12. Then choose your optional paper carefully. I have already conveyed you this same thing. Stay updated with the current affairs. Then get the basic clears. You know the examination structure, examination protocol, how the evaluation must be done. And always think like an officer. That is the most important mantra. If you want to become an officer, think like an officer. Never think like a common man or a civilian. You have to be in a position to make a judgment, solid judgment. You have to think like an officer, think like an Indian. Don't think like any other segments. Okay. Then important documents to appear in government examination. The first and the foremost document is your matriculation certificate, that is class 10 certificate. Then your degree certificate. Then print out of each summon letter. Once you clear examination, you will get a call letter from the respective agency for an interview. Then 2 recent passport size photograph with the background white in color. You have to have that certificate. And if SC and OBC certificate candidates need to have SC and OBC certificates. These are the important documents required for the government examination. Okay, so far am I clear? Now tell me, what are the various benefits of government job when compared to the private job? What happens in the private sector? You must have seen during the COVID pandemic. Termination, layoffs, suspension, all those things keep on happening in the private sector, but in the government jobs, these things are not considered. In the government job, you have job security, good salaries provided, health insurance, mediclaim, and all other benefits are given to the officers by the government of the country. So these are the various benefits of government job. But after listening to this particular session, can you people tell me how many of you are actually interested in taking up civil services? Please raise your hand. Always think that civil services gives you the privilege to serve our country. serve our motherland. So it is the utmost responsibility. So I request everybody, each and every student, I think there are around 500 students here. I request everybody to take up civil services examination at least once in your life after your graduation. Will you do that at least? Come on, yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, that's the spirit.